Hey folks, got a Massey Ferguson MultiPower hydraulic pump on the bench, rebuilding a 175, and in the process noticed that the drive gear train for this is obviously serviceable. This intermediate gear has some rollers inside. And this center shaft is actually only located on the rear by a little tang. So it does come out. The rollers do fall out easy. I'm not going to be doing that. Had that apart, looks good already. What I did find is for the large gear that engages on the PTO shaft all the time, so you always have your hydraulic, is there's no bearings for this gear. However, there is a bushing, and that bushing has a stamped area on it here to stop it from rotating inside the backing plate. And as you can see in the center, here's a rivet that they locate against that half moon shaped knockout. So that holds this in place. Acts as your bearing. What I noticed on my machine is that there is a crack between that half moon that goes all the way through and through. See if I can set my mount down, show you. In between the center here, as you can see, it's got a nice healthy crack. Maybe you guys can see it. There's too much junk in the way. There it is. So, went to Agco, ordered some parts from my local spot. Our replacement part number with stuff that seems to fit well is 515964M1. And at this rate, the rest of the pump checked out. Figured I'd rather service it than replace the whole thing. So just trying to get some info out there. Quick heads up, maybe it'll help somebody out. Hey, keep working on your old school stuff. See ya.